Transform how you interact with your curtains using the Odor Curbit automatic curtain opener and closer. Designed for modern living, this sleek device offers seamless integration with a wide range of smart assistant apps, providing hands-free control over your home's natural lighting. Whether you're starting your morning or winding down at night, effortless automation is now at your fingertips. Built with adaptability in mind, the Odor Curbit comes ready to work with I-rails, U-rails, and traditional rod hooks, making it a versatile addition to nearly any home setup. Set your desk in motion with a precision-crafted kinetic fingertip flip skill toy built to mesmerize. Designed to flip, roll, and fall with a natural rhythm, this skill toy invites repeated interaction through effortless balance and unexpected movement. Compact and smooth, at just over 2 inches long, it fits perfectly in your hand or pocket, ready to engage your focus whenever the need strikes. The kinetic fingertip flip skill toy is more than just a visual trick. It's a desk companion that relieves tension, sparks creativity, and trains dexterity. The Chirp RPM Mini is a compact yet powerful percussion massager designed to deliver deep tissue relief and muscle recovery. Whether you're recovering from an intense workout or just need to relax, this massager uses percussive therapy to target tight muscles and alleviate tension. With its 3-speed settings, it offers versatile intensity levels, allowing you to adjust the massage to your preference for a personalized experience. Precision isn't just a promise, it's engineered into every scan with the 3D Maker Pro Seal. Built to reveal the finest dimensions, this compact powerhouse captures details with 0.01mm accuracy and resolution up to 0.05mm. Thanks to advanced blue light encoded structured light technology, even the most subtle textures, faint dents, grainy surfaces, or intricate edges, are rendered into crisp, high-resolution 3D models. Roam X is an innovative e-wagon that blends the convenience of remote control with the practicality of outdoor exploration. Featuring dual motors capable of producing up to 1,200 watts of power, it effortlessly handles a load of up to 440 pounds, ensuring you can carry gear on all your adventures without the usual strain. Whether navigating uphill or downhill, Roam X's intelligent speed control adjusts automatically, providing smooth handling without compromising safety. When winter unleashes its worst, the Ego Power Plus SNT2112 stands ready to carve a clear path. Armed with peak power technology, this snowblower harnesses the combined force of two 56-volt ARC lithium batteries, delivering relentless power without the noise, fumes, or pull-start hassle of gas. At its core lies a high-efficiency brushless motor that drives performance while extending lifespan and conserving energy. The Mylord Eco-Trackers offers advanced monitoring technology for assessing harmful substances in fruits and vegetables. This tool efficiently measures critical water parameters, ensuring the quality and safety of your produce. With its precise sensors, it detects harmful substances such as pesticides, heavy metals, and other contaminants in a quick and reliable manner. The device also monitors key water quality metrics, providing insights into factors like pH, turbidity, and dissolved oxygen. Forget preheating and oil-splattered stovetops. The Philips Air Fryer XXL streamlines family meals with precision and speed. Designed for efficiency, its 7-quart capacity easily handles a whole chicken or 2 bags of fries, perfect for feeding the entire family in one go. It uses rapid air technology to circulate hot air, creating crispy exteriors and tender interiors without relying on excess oil. Integrated fat removal technology captures and separates fat from food during cooking, making each bite lighter without sacrificing flavor. In a world moving faster by the second, precision tools like Kublet become essential companions. This simple, tiny, yet powerful data tracker fits right into your everyday life without the need for complexity. With Kublet, you stay informed at a glance, whether it's monitoring the weather, keeping tabs on stocks, tracking your wallet health, or checking your UST yield performance. Health-conscious users can rely on Kublet for real-time blood sugar updates, helping to maintain balance wherever they are. Built for steep streets and long rides, the InMotion Climber redefines the electric scooter experience with a dual 750-watt motor system that generates a combined peak of 1,500-watt power. This robust setup propels the climber to speeds up to 23.6 miles per hour, even when facing demanding inclines and heavy riders up to 286 pounds. Its hill climbing capabilities are backed by an advanced torque system and independent dual-wheel drive that grips the pavement confidently. Clutter doesn't stand a chance when the Brother P-Touch PTD220 enters the scene. Built for those who value structure without sacrificing style, this compact label maker brings smart organization to any home, small office, or workspace. Whether you're sorting file folders, cables, pantry shelves, or storage bins, the PTD220 provides a sleek and practical solution. Experience the convenience of the Satechi 3-in-1 foldable Qi 2 wireless charging stand, designed to streamline your charging routine. With advanced QI2 fast charging technology, this station offers lightning-fast charging speeds of up to 15 watts for your iPhone and 5 watts for both AirPods and Apple Watch. Double the speed of typical chargers, ensuring your devices are powered up swiftly and efficiently. Its MagSafe compatibility allows you to charge your devices securely and easily. The Fluid Stance Balance Board is designed for individuals who seek improved posture and an active lifestyle at their desks. Engineered with a 360-degree rocker, this balance board transforms your workspace into a dynamic environment that encourages movement, helping to reduce fatigue and stress. With its anti-slip surface, users can confidently engage in subtle movements while standing, offering a more ergonomic alternative to traditional desk setups. In a world where responsible firearm ownership matters more than ever, the BioFire Smart Gun offers unmatched security without sacrificing speed or performance. Engineered for protection with built-in peace of mind, this 9mm smart handgun stays locked the moment it's out of your grip, rendering it completely inoperable until a trusted, authorized user takes hold again. The intelligent design ensures that no unauthorized person, be it a child, thief, or intruder, can ever fire it. Introducing the Novadrum Tongue Drum 2.0, a refined and innovative instrument that promises to bring harmony to your musical journey. This enhanced version offers a unique double-sided design, providing twice the number of notes and expanding your sonic possibilities. Whether you're a seasoned musician or a beginner, this drum is designed for ease of use while offering a professional, clear sound. With each tongue finely tuned, the Novadrum delivers exceptional sound quality, thanks to precise calculations of distance and harmonic combinations. Crank up the volume by the pool, in the shower, or on the trail. This rugged speaker is engineered for any environment. Built to perform under pressure, it handles water, dust, and impact with ease. Whether clipped to your backpack or floating beside you in the hot tub, this compact device doesn't just survive, it thrives. With 20 hours of battery life on a single charge, you can soundtrack your entire day without reaching for the charger. And when the sun goes down, it's still going strong, keeping the vibe alive through nightfall. The Sunco Sunshine Fair Infrared Electric Heater is designed to offer efficient and quiet heating for various indoor spaces. Unlike conventional space heaters, it utilizes far infrared technology to heat the room directly by warming objects and people rather than the air, providing a more natural and comfortable warmth. This feature ensures energy efficiency, reducing energy consumption while maintaining a consistent and gentle heat throughout the room. Equipped with a thermostat, the heater allows precise temperature control, making it ideal for large rooms, bedrooms, garages, and offices. Introducing an innovative leap in tennis technology, the AsiMate tennis robot brings a new level of realism to training. With 4K vision paired with bi-cameras, this cutting-edge system delivers precise, human-like ground strokes for an unmatched experience. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, its versatility shines with serve and rally modes that allow for tailored practice sessions designed to improve both technique and endurance. Command your workspace with a sleek solution that merges power, organization, and efficiency. The Yafo Prisma 3-in-1 isn't just another desktop gadget, it's a calculated upgrade for anyone who values clean lines and clear surfaces. At just 10.2 inches wide, this space-saving unit consolidates 3 functions into one streamlined system, eliminating tangled wires and desk clutter. At its core, the Prisma delivers wireless charging precision with support for multiple Qi-enabled devices, phones, earbuds, even smartwatches. Every breath matters, especially indoors. The Breathe Pro redefines clean air with advanced AI-powered air monitoring that adapts to your environment in real time. Whether you're dealing with wildfire smoke, pet dander, or urban pollution, its rapid air cleaning system filters up to 79 cubic feet of air per minute, refreshing your space in under 20 minutes. What sets Breathe Pro apart is its game-changing expandable system. Link multiple units for seamless purification in large spaces. In a world full of disposable products, the lifelong deodorant stands apart with timeless design and unwavering durability. Built with a refillable, reusable, and washable applicator, it pairs with a natural powder-to-liquid deodorant, packaged in eco-conscious paper pouches. With no single-use plastic in sight, Lifelong cuts transport emissions by an impressive 94%, setting a new standard for sustainability. Redefining what it means to work in comfort, the Kofo Zero Gravity Monitor Arm Pro blends elegant precision with powerhouse performance. Designed with a minimalist aesthetic rooted in Japanese engineering, this monitor arm invites balance and control into your workspace. At its core lies a revolutionary double mechanical spring system that holds up to 30 pounds of weight, supporting monitors up to 40 inches with zero compromise in stability. Step into a world where sleep isn't just rest, it's power. Pod 4 Ultra transforms your nights with precision temperature control, clinical-grade tracking, and sleep-boosting intelligence. This isn't a mattress upgrade, it's a shift in how recovery happens. Pod 4 Ultra dives 20 degrees Fahrenheit below room temperature or climbs to soothing heat, adapting instantly to your needs. Dual zones let you and your partner create separate climates, no compromises. Engineered for expansive living spaces, this high-capacity air purifier redefines what quiet power looks like. Outfitted with a HEPA H13 grade filtration system, it removes ultrafine particles with surgical precision, capturing allergens, pollutants, and gases. Its filtration surface is 3.8 times larger than the previous generation, delivering consistent performance for up to 5 years without replacement. In the stillness of a room, it waits, poised not on a base, but a point. This is not an ordinary object. It's a sculptural expression of physics and art in motion. The amazing balancing lamp captures attention by simply existing, motionless yet alert. And when set in motion, it becomes something entirely different. Swivel and stand still on any pivot point. That's its mastery. One gentle flick and it spins gracefully, maintaining dynamic balance while gliding in continuous hypnotic motion for minutes. The Lenovo ThinkBook Transparent Display Laptop represents an innovative step in the world of computing, blending physical reality with digital interaction. Though still a concept, this device introduces a 17.3-inch transparent micro-LED display, which allows users to interact with both the virtual and physical world simultaneously. The transparent screen provides a unique ability to display content while offering a clear view of what's behind it. Key features of this groundbreaking laptop include its transparent display, which can overlay digital content over real-world objects. step beyond the screen and into the game. This next-gen motion console delivers a bold evolution in virtual entertainment, merging full body tracking with immersive motion controller gameplay for a truly physical experience. Whether you're dancing in Dance Dash, diving into VR FBT streaming worlds, or sweating through AR fitness sessions, it responds with precision. Using cutting-edge sensors and seamless body recognition, it turns your movements into real-time game controls. Dusk redefines the iconic Wayfarer sunglasses, blending timeless style with cutting-edge technology for a modern, functional experience. These sunglasses bring more than just protection from the sun, featuring electrochromic lenses that allow you to adjust the tint to your exact preference instantly. Whether you're basking in bright sunlight or moving indoors, you have full control, eliminating the need for traditional reactive lenses. Designed with convenience in mind, the Dusk sunglasses integrate seamlessly with your lifestyle. Whether you're gearing up for a weekend hike, a late-night campsite jam, or unexpected roadside repairs, the Flamp U1 is engineered to handle it all, combining cutting-edge illumination with rugged audio performance in one compact EDC essential. Built for adventurers who value versatility without compromise, this all-in-one flashlight and Bluetooth speaker redefines how you prepare for the unknown. With a blazing 2,300 lumen main beam and a secondary adjustable light, visibility never takes a back seat. The AeroGarden Harvest 2.0 is an innovative, compact hydroponic garden designed to seamlessly blend into your home, while providing an easy and efficient way to grow your favorite plants indoors. With its sleek design, it offers a smart and stylish solution for cultivating fresh herbs, vegetables, and flowers year-round without the need for soil. The newly redesigned features of the Harvest 2.0 enhance the growing experience. The Granista Professional Grinder elevates your coffee experience with its innovative design, providing a superior grind every time. With a built-in scale, it ensures precise measurements, helping you achieve the perfect cup. The grinder features a 64mm flat burr system that consistently produces uniform grounds, crucial for maximizing flavor extraction. Offering 48 adjustable coarseness levels, it caters to all brewing methods, from espresso to French press. Unwind with the perfect companion for your screen time, a sturdy, versatile cushion stand that molds to your needs without compromising support. Whether you're streaming, reading, or video calling, this pillow stand secures your device between 4 and 11 inches, including iPads, Kindles, e-readers, tablets, and smartphones. Designed for use on your lap, desk, or in bed, it enhances comfort while maintaining optimal viewing angles. Constructed with high-density foam and soft-touch fabric, the stand resists collapse while keeping things cozy against your skin. Introducing the Lightbox, an unparalleled fusion of style and innovation, where eco-friendly materials meet cutting-edge technology.